Hello and welcome. Thanks for joining me. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and also share with friends and family. If this is your first time here, welcome, and I hope you guys consider subscribing. Also, don't forget to click on that bell button so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And I wanted to apologize for not uploading yesterday. I completely forgot. But I'm going to show you guys our last wire tutorial. So what you're going to need are these skewer sticks. You'll need two of them, or one actually. And then I'm just going to go ahead and draw, well, try to attempt to draw a Christmas tree. And I couldn't, so what I just decided to do was fold it in half, the paper in half, and then just cut out the good side, I guess you could say, of the Christmas tree that I just drew. So just go ahead and cut it out. I'm just retracing it. And this was the easiest way I found to make, or you could just print one out if you wanted to, a different design of a Christmas tree. I love this last wire DIY that we're doing today because I started thinking I could do quite a few of them and add them to wreaths or what have you. Okay, so what you're going to need is, of course, wiring. You'll need about a good 20-inch wiring. You're going to fold it in half is the way I did it. And then see, I'm just kind of laying it down, figuring out where my next bent will be, and then just continue to do that until I go to the bottom. Like so. And now all I'm going to do is just open it up. And there you have your Christmas tree. And of course, you can do this with any design that you decide to do. Okay, so I'm actually making two of the Christmas trees, but I'm going to show you how to make one. Go ahead and get your skewer with a little hoop on top, and you're going to insert the wiring, one, I guess you could say over and under on both of them on opposite sides. And then you're going to twist it around like a twist tie, like you're twisting your bread twist ties. And just try to tighten it as much as you can. If you see, I'm just using some pliers just to try to tighten it as tight as I can. That way I won't have to use any glue or anything like that. And once you're happy with the tightness of your twist, if you have any excess, just go ahead and cut it off. Or if you see, I'm just going to continue to twist it until it's all wrapped around. I figured that way it could have more security. So if you can tell, I'm taking out all my holiday boxes and starting to organize them and figure out what I'm going to use, what I'm going to redo, and start making some tutorials for you guys. So I hope you guys are ready for holiday tutorials. I'm still going to make normal tutorials, I guess you guys, spring tutorials and regular house tutorial, house decor, and party events. But in between, I will be starting to incorporate some holiday tutorials like this one. So once you're happy with your wiring Christmas tree, just go ahead and fix it and adjust it until you're satisfied. This would be really cute, like in floral arrangements or little Christmas gift bags or what have you. It'd be a really cute addition, you know, just to give it some lighting. I'm just removing some glue that I thought was on there from the papers. But okay, so we're going to go ahead and get some battery operated lights. The lights that I use are the ones from Amazon, but you can get them at Dollar Tree. I just feel like it's more cost effective, I guess you could say, if I purchase them from Amazon, because you get more of them in a package for basically the same amount, the same price. And the battery pack is like a watch battery, so the pack itself is a lot smaller. But once you're open up your wiring and insert your batteries, make sure they work, go ahead and start wrapping it around the stem of the tree and also the tree itself. And it just depends on how tight or how loose you want your wiring to be. You just continue to wrap it around. And depending on how big your tree is and the stem is how many times you'll have to wrap your wiring around. Some of them you'll have to wrap around just once, and some of them you'll wrap around twice. Again, just depending on how big your ornament is going to be or whatever you're wrapping. You guys let me know in the comments down below what you're going to make and for what are you going to use it for. I'm just going to use it just to like a filler for certain areas of that I don't have anything else to add to, or just want those little extra twinkling lights at. What I'm doing is actually just inserting it into some foam that I glued into a napkin ring from Dollar Tree. And I'm doing this because wherever I put it at, I don't want to have to worry about inserting it into foam or anything in case it's just going to be, say, behind a garland or inside a Christmas tree or what have you. I don't have to worry about it having a stand. I already glued it onto something where it'll secure it and help it stand up straight or what have you. So that's it. That's a pretty easy DIY. What do you guys think? Hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Until next time, you guys stay blessed. Bye.